how this customer decided on a TPO recover for this roof. This was a very low slope metal roof, and the building maintenance was chasing leaks all the time. When it rained, they would have buckets, different trash cans to catch water. Metal tends to not perform very well over time if it's low slope. So options are replace the metal, do a coating, do a recover. Replacing the metal, you're still at low slope, gonna have leaks down the road. Coatings, they have their merits. They're a little less expensive, and sometimes they work really well, sometimes they don't. They require a lot of prep. A recover like this includes an increase in insulation value, which is helpful, and doesn't require a lot of prep work. So it is actually not that much more expensive than a coating. And when you're trying to find leaks in a building that someone's had a lack of confidence over it leaking over time, with a TPO product like this, I can always tell where it's leaking. I mean, the good news is it's not going to leak very much, but if someone comes up here to work on this air conditioning unit over here and they drop a tool or they make a hole in the material, I can find that and patch it fairly quickly. So it's a lot easier to work with. In Colorado, TPO is incredibly popular. It's relatively hail resistant. It's a very strong material, holds up incredibly well. So those are part of the decisions that went into it. I think that if I were to choose something, I would choose a TPO recover depending on budget.